This is Midday. I'm Britt Johnson in for Maria Shilaos, and here's something all parents need to know. More research showing how too much screen time can be dangerous for your kids and teenagers. And we've all heard that kind of thing before, but now the research shows that too much screen time can affect heart health.
Screens are obviously a big part of life, but we have a growing mountain of evidence showing that excessive screen time and the wrong screen time can have serious and tangible effects on children's health, particularly sleep, but also things like development, mental health, immune function, and now we're learning it can even affect their heart health as well.
Dr. Jonathan Williams is a pediatrician at Ogden Clinic. He says the biggest problem with screens is that it leads to things like doom scrolling and binge watching, taking away precious sleep from your young ones, and that sleep is essential to growth.
I mean, sleep is one of those things where we're just learning more and more about. Almost every month there's new studies about the importance of sleep. Sleep impacts everything from learning, development, social interactions, mental health, immune function, growth, you name it. It's affected by the quality and the consistency of our sleep.
Dr. Williams says screen time leads to more problems than just bad sleep. It can lead to a whole slew of problems.
So we're still learning. We know that sleep dysregulation affects hormonal balances and things like insulin resistance, and those can lead to poorer heart health down the line. But there's obviously a problem in being sedentary as well. If a child is on screens, they are not outdoors and they're not running around and they're not being a kid. We do know we have new research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association showed an association between screen time and things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and insulin resistance.
Dr. Williams says these bad habits can lead to a lifetime of problems. He also says not all hope is lost. You can do things now to help reverse course for your kids.
I mean, definitely establishing unhealthy screen habits in childhood can have lifelong impacts because that's when you're developing habits for life. But it's not irreversible, right? We can model good screen time use. We can talk about screen-free zones like the dinner table or where they do their homework, or we can reduce screen time around bedtime and establish good, healthy sleep hygiene. And when we do those, we assume that most of those risks can be reversed over time.
And not all screen time is bad.
Something that parents don't often understand is that not all screen time is created equal, right? So like if my child is FaceTiming grandma, that can be very productive and healthy and engaging and stimulating for them in a developmentally advantageous way. But things like video games or YouTube videos that are highly stimulating and aren't as engaging but are more passive, they can be very problematic on the development of a young brain.
And one of the best ways to help your kids develop better screen habits is to have better habits yourself.
I mean, and this is a hard one to swallow, but we as parents are the role models, right? So reminding the parents that the kids are seeing, if you're on the couch doom scrolling, that's the hobby and habit that they're going to pick up. So we need to make sure that we're establishing healthy screen usage for ourselves so that we can better help our children navigate those habits as well.
Dr. Williams is a pediatrician at Ogden Clinic.